Anong i-haul mo?
Sumo.
Sumo! Nasaan yung sumo? Pakita mo.
Yeah.
Yan. Hindi nila kita, oh. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel again. And to those who don't know me yet, I'm Mia or I'm Joy, whatever you can call me. And yeah, today I'm going to share with you guys a haul of the things that I got from Watson's and from an online shop. So let's start with the video. So the first one that I got is from an online shop in Instagram, and they sent me two products of them. The store or the shop is called TheBlack.Ph or the KNR. I will just put the link down below. And they sent me the magic oil, the black magic oil cold press eyebrow and eyelash grower. So it claims that can help to grow your lashes, to lengthen your lashes, and to grow your brows. So if you girls are looking for a product that can, help to make your the lashes and the brows grow faster, then I think this one is good for you. And it is 50 ml. And they also sent me the Blaque activated carbon, their skin bestie. This one claims to be teeth whitener, acne treatment, detoxifies and eliminate toxins. So I will make a review of these products if they really works on me, because as you can see right now, I'm having a breakout. So I think this product will be good on me, and this one I think will be, it can help to lengthen my lashes. So please check them out if you are interested in products like charcoal or activated charcoal. Then they are selling a lot of products in their shop, so I'll just put the link down below. So yeah, so let's go to the Watson's product. And the first one that I got from them is this Maxi-Peel facial cleanser. This is different from the exfoliant, I think, the green or the greenish bluish one. So yeah, this one is just like a toner, because it is a pore defining, deep cleansing, anti-acne, smoothening, lightening, and vitamin rich. So yeah, it can just clean your face just like any other regular toner, I think. So yeah, I got it from them. I also got these two products from TRESemmé. This is the TRESemmé Keratin Smooth and the TRESemmé Smooth and Shine Conditioner. So this one is the shampoo and this one is the conditioner, and both of them cost 205, I think. So I got this two for 410. And the next one that I got is this Quick FX Tinted Moisturizer. This one, and the last time that I had my haul, I got the eye cream from Quick FX, and I saw a lot of review of this product, and I think it will work on me. Cross fingers. So yeah, I will make a review of this product as well if this one will work on me. Yeah. And the next one is, of course, hindi mawawala ang you guess it right, iWhite products. And I have 4 iWhite Aqua Moisturizer Whitening Vita in the sachet, because I'm already running out of the product in the bottle and I can't find their iWhite. I think they are out of stock when I went to Watson's, so I got 4. And of course, my favorite one again, the iWhite 2-minute whitening miracle, and I got 5 of this. So maybe I can do a giveaway of these products soon, I think. And of course, one more, the iWhite BB Holic Everyday BB Cream. So I got 2, 4, 5, and I got in the shade beige. So yeah, just comment down below if you want me to do a giveaway of these products, because some girls commented on my previous videos that they can find this and this, the iWhite products. So yeah, I think it will be a good idea if I will do a giveaway of the iWhite products, because in the Watson's, in SM Rosales, they always have these products. So yeah, and the last one from iWhite again is, of course, the facial wash Whitening Vita in pink and in blue. So I want to try this again. I tried this before, but they didn't work that good on me. But I want to try it again to test if it's because of the product or because of the things that I just put on myself. Yes. So yeah, that's it. No, I still have 2. I still have the Pure Derm skin solution, argan oil, makeup remover, cleansing tablet. So if you've seen my review of the Everbilena liquid makeup remover, I mean the Everbilena makeup remover and the Sansan towelettes or the wipes that can also remove your makeups. So I will just put the link down below of that review if you wanna check it out. So I got another argan oil 30 wet towelettes, so yeah. And I will make a review of this product again because yeah, if you've seen my video, you will know why I want another product, so yeah. And the last one that I got from Watsons is of course these cuddles. I usually buy the Watsons cotton pads, but they ran out of that, so I got these cuddles cotton squares, and yeah, I don't know how much is this, but yeah, I will be needing this because I have my pimples right now and I need to put a lot of, you know, antibiotic and some medication. So yeah, that's it. That's all the things that I got from Watsons. And for the Black.Ph, please check them out if you want activated carbon for your face and for your teeth. That can I mean, you can also use this. I would just run through this for the review. So yeah, there are a lot of things that you can do with their products. So yeah, I'll see you guys again in my next video and hope to, you know, talk to you soon. So yeah, please check out my other videos and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and follow me in my Instagram. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.